outside, that means we back with another vlog, YouTube. The X Pro 250 Roadster. And I'm gonna get straight to it, y'all. The bike has been amazing, man. When this bike came in, all I had to do was assemble the handlebars, the battery, put the windshield on, and that was it. I swapped the factory mirrors out, as you can see, but the bladed mirrors are no better. They are no better at all. I can't see a damn thing out them damn things, for real. But besides that, and you see I got grounded. I did get grounded. This kickstand was firm. Man, listen, and I thought it was down. No, sir. Didn't work. Didn't work. But lucky for me, I caught that motherfucker before it hit the ground. But you want a responsive bike, you beginners out there, 250cc. Hell, I recommend a 125 if you're a beginner. But at the price Amazon got them for, I say jump on this with both feet. And slowly graduate on up, 400, 600, or whatever you want to do from there. But if you're just starting off, this X Pro, I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Let's get it fired up for you. 155 miles for y'all, man. It comes with the shipping oil in it. Make sure you drain that out and put some real oil in your baby. Man, I wish it sounded better, but it's something we can work on. We can cut that off. I wish it sounded better, that's all. But like I said, you're getting a 250cc. That's what you're getting. You're getting a 250cc. That's it. More upgrades coming though. We definitely gonna get that muffler off of there. I'm taking all of these stickers off because simply I don't like them. That's all. I just don't like them. Add some lights to it. We're gonna definitely step it up a bit. But y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get into some rides. Shortly down the back here. Man, I'll never get used to this hill. I swear, going down, I always feel like I'm finna bust my shit. Old St. Joseph's River. It's early, ain't too many people out there on the water right now, but up, man. X Pro 250. If you need a reason to get it, if you need more convincing, this video is it. Do it. Great beginner bike, and it checks all the boxes, man. What I am mad about, I swear I'm mad about, is the headlights didn't last. I got the LEDs on the side, but man, my jokers in the middle ain't lighting up. That's the only thing that killed me, man. I swear. Ugh. Like I say, other than that, man, it's ready to roll. I'm about to get out here and finish catching some more traffic, man. Finish putting it to the test and seeing what it do. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Get at me. Peace.